In this video, we will show you how to use Anton Paar's Dynamic Flow Chemisorption Analyzer, Autosorb 3300. To prepare a sample for measurement, first place some quartz wool in the bottom of the sample cell and pack it loosely. Check the level of quartz wool in the sample cell using the balance weighing stand. The level of the quartz wool should not be higher than the bottom indicator line on the balance weighing stand. Place the stand with the sample cell onto the balance. Record the empty sample cell weight. Add your sample on top of the quartz wool using the funnel. Keep the level of sample below the second indicator line on the balance weighing stand. Record the weight of the sample cell with the sample and quartz wool. Subtract the weight of the empty sample cell from the weight of the sample and sample cell to determine the sample weight for the measurement. Additional quartz wool can be added on top of the sample, but should not exceed the top indicator line. Attach the filler rod to the cap. Slide the rod and cap onto the sample cell. Place the sample cell, filler rod, and cap into the Autosorb 3300's furnace. To start a measurement sequence, click Sequence on the sidebar. Enter the requested information about your sample and click Next. Load a method using the Add Method button. You can edit the method by clicking into individual steps or adding steps using the Add Step button. If you modify the sequence, you can save it as a new method for reuse in the future. Click Next when you are ready to review the planned sequence. Review your sequence, and then start the measurement. The instrument will automatically raise the furnace and seal the sample cell at the start of the sequence. At the completion of the sequence, the instrument will automatically cool and lower the furnace to allow removal of the sample cell. Lift the sample cell, filler rod, and cap out of the furnace. Remove the cap and filler rod from the sample cell. Remove the sample and quartz wool from the sample cell using the sample extraction hook. Place the used material into a suitable container for disposal. Rinse the sample cell with water and isopropanol. If there is residue on the sample cell, use an ultrasonic bath to detach the remaining traces of sample. When the sample cell is clear of sample residue, dry the sample cell in a ventilated oven at 120 degrees Celsius. Use gloves when handling cleaned cells. Autosorb 3300. Precision in every pulse. Confidence in every result.